Good evening po, Pangasinan Branch, as of August 5, 2026. Base po sa DMA namin kanina, ang hindi po natapos is itong mga ito. Bali, wala pa po yung ibang item and lacking pa rin po yung iba. Day off po tomorrow is si Marie Chris. Wala po siyang naiwang pending. Parcel for pickup na bawas is 3 from yesterday. Wala po nadagdag for today. Star pending po namin is sila pa rin po. Ayan po. Bali, due po siya ng August 9. Tatapusin po naging Marie Chris Romar, Christian Pauline Judea ng 5 p.m. The SR printed at 8:40 p.m. Issued receipt po namin is 4. Consumable use is 1 item, DTF lang po. FE page na sagutan is 5. Key holder po for tomorrow is si Judy. Bali, ito po yung aming stock. Ito po yung aming stock.
Garbage ko na. Dry goods.